Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to show you this new technique that I figured out. It took me about 2 days to figure it out because I was like, I'm going to figure out how to do color changes in overlay Mosaic. Normally it's worked with 2 colors and I was like, I don't want to work with 2 colors. I want to throw a little, a little something something in there. So I have figured it out and I want to show you guys how to do so. I will show you the back of it. This was the main concern. I wanted to do color changes where I didn't need, bobbins, or I didn't want like a whole bunch of ends in the back of my project because, let's face it, overlay Mosaic is supposed to be simple. You don't want to have a lot of ends in the back of your project. I think that's kind of the purpose of overlay Mosaic, and it gives a really nice texture. So the only ends I have to weave in are the purple ones here at the end of my row. But you can see here that it's still nice and clean, and I want to show you how I do so. So to begin, what you're going to be doing is you're still going to be switching between the 2 main colors that you chose. So mine are pink and white. So I'm going to go back to my pink color and I'm going to do my border stitch. I think everybody does their border stitches differently. This is kind of just how I do it. Like so. So for my row, which I'm on row 24 now, I need to do 13 double crochets. So I've got my 13 double crochets. So now I need to do 6 back loop single crochets. So I'm not going to finish that last back loop single crochet. I'm going to drop that color to the back and I'm going to grab my color changing yarn that I want. So purple for me. And I'm going to finish that last single crochet with my new color. So now I have to do 8 double crochets. So I'm going to work over my tail. I have the pink yarn in behind, so I just kind of dropped the pink, and I'm going to do my 8 double crochets while working over the tail. So I'm going to go under that loop and I'm going to grab that tail as well, and I'm going to work over top of it. So that's 4. 6, 7, and 8. So I can cut off that tail if I want to. I worked over top of it. Perfect. No end to weave in. So now what I want to do is I actually want to go and grab that pink yarn that we were using from over here. I'm going to grab it and kind of run it along to where I am. And I'm just going to hold it there. So I'm holding it with this finger here. I'm not too tight and I'm not too loose, right? You just kind of want it sitting there. And I need to do 7 back loop single crochets. So I'm actually going to go into that stitch and I'm grabbing that pink stitch as well, and I'm going to work over top of it. So I'm going to carry it with me. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm not going to finish that one because I need to switch back to my pink. So I'm actually going to drop the purple to the back. I'm going to grab the pink as it's there because we carried with it. And I'm going to finish that last single crochet. So 7. And I'm going to do 1 double crochet. And I'm not holding that purple color, I just have my pink color. And now I need to do 4 back loop single crochets. So I'm going to grab my purple, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to work into those back loops, but also grabbing my purple color. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to drop that purple. I need to do 1 double crochet. And then 6 single crochets. Again, grabbing that purple and putting it on top. So basically anytime you have a single crochet, you're going to grab your color, like you're going to grab the yarn that you need to carry with you. So in this instance, it's my purple. So I'm going to do my 6 back loop single crochets while carrying the yarn. And now I need to change back to the purple color. So I have my purple. I'm going to finish that last stitch. And I'm going to do 2 back loop single crochets while holding on to my pink. I'm going to drop the pink to the back because I need to do my 6 double crochets. Okay, so now I need to grab that pink again. She's over here. Just going to grab her. And I'm going to do my 5 back loop single crochets while working with my pink. And I'm not going to finish that last stitch because I need to go back to my pink color. One back loop single crochet. I don't need to grab my purple because I'm done with it. And then 13 double crochets to finish my row. So I did my border stitch here with my pink, and then if we look at the back, I can go ahead and cut off that purple color, and that will be the only color you guys need to weave in. So if we look at the back here, it's nice and clean. You can see where we grabbed the pink, and you can see where we grabbed the purple and just kind of worked over top of it. It's not loose. It's actually very nice and neat. I'm very happy with how this is turning out. And then if we look at the front with our color changes, absolutely love this technique. And if you guys like this technique, definitely let me know in the comments down below. I really would like to know if you enjoy this, if you guys are going to start doing some color changes in your projects. I know I'm going to continue making more patterns with sudden, color changes. Not too many, just here and there so it doesn't get too complicated. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was easy to follow. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed the tutorial. Hit the subscribe button. It really, really helps out the channel. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good morning, evening, and night.